Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize Windows Part 2. So let's get started. First, we need to download Modern Flyout from this GitHub link or direct from Microsoft Store. As you see, you can have a preview for the app here in dark and light mode. So to download it, you can go to releases here and choose the latest one and download the setup. Second, we have VWidgets app. You can download it direct from Microsoft or by copying this link above and paste it in this site. Then choose the second one, save link as, but I am already installed all these apps. Third, we have Microsoft Power Toys. You can download it direct from Microsoft Store or from GitHub from releases here, and you can download it the setup. Finally, we have Fences for app. Also, you can download it from this link. All links you can have in the description box. After you downloaded all these files, you need to install them one by one. I prefer to download all these files or these apps from Microsoft Store as Power Toys and Widgets and Modern Flyouts. No, finally Power Toys setup. Okay, I'm already installed it. So we need, after install them, we need to activate Modern Flights first, and this is the Modern Flyouts app. As you see, it's look really nice. And we go to settings, and you can visualization it, choose your app theme, and top bar visibility, if it's visible or auto hide. I prefer to auto hide and choose some settings here and behavior, and you have this layout and some modules here. You can also adjust brightness like sound in this app. Second, we have Fences for app. We need to enable it. To activate fences in desktop, you need to select icons and create fences from these icons. Then I need to rename this folder to system and adjust its size. Then we have Power Toys app. To open Power Toys search, you need to hold Alt and Space key in the same time. But you need to check if it runs first. Yes, that's it. This is Power Toys app. or the power to search. You can calculate, you can search for your apps, and you can have advanced search here, then system search, this one, and we have the last app here, the B widgets. It's to create some widgets here in your desktop. You can create new widgets. You can have time, date, photos, and more here. I've created this one by going to customize, then adjust width to 1030 and height to 260, then to show seconds and 12-hour format, then choose this background here and time text, font size to 153, and font this one, area rounded empty bold, and close. You can create new widgets here, and you need to set this one here. To close or to show the top bar only, you can double click here and double click here. And to unshow icons in desktop, you can double click in desktop and will be auto hide or will be hide. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this setup, and see you soon. Goodbye.